Yet also the Makoyans and Fufromu, their cybersecurity authority, and Penny for a year facilitating committee on the establishment of the industry forum. Abano a year ama wambuta yina and say soon be bet me aba a year abe for quino a so bambomo Adom TV Kasee etwaso.
And the cybersecurity authority, Media, Womodia Pong, one Womu, a day media share one says one coin if you move from Maraquani Befasua. Cybersecurity Jumedi, Ibijana Naso. Na Saj Media, our Muye, a da, Omode Echere, Abijokui, Ejuma Swan, one my ye, Yamodan Wamanabo Abba. Na we, Eka, Cybersecurity Act, Amra, a daho Afimpi Munia Duno. Act 1038. Na Jumedi no say, and a swafa of share in Kitahudion Samso, Samuel, Nate George. Ediato Abijokua, a from facilitator body anims on modern, say cybersecurity jumedie mono, Ombabua, na aku enim Sanyabeya, Jumakuni Bejina Brani, na etubone yase ewo meimo.
Cooperation between the private sector and government and industry practitioners. That's really why we set up the industry forum, because the industry forum is supposed to give practitioners a voice at the table, so that cybersecurity is not just about regulating the work, but you have the industry players themselves being co-architects of what we do in building our cyber policies. Nobody's out to clamp down on anybody who is doing legitimate work. But even as we all work together to have a digital footprint, it's critical that we ensure that our citizens are safe, our businesses are safe, and we have robust and versatile systems to deal with cyber threats. And so it's a collaborative approach.
And what in a penny contract for that cybersecurity authority and Divine Salasi Agbeti, and so at the Abasubodi Ama one more umu ayejuma son at say the homanabo abba essay. Omayejuma dempa ya umbabuama cybersecurity jumedian aquanim na omodi atuja so mujidi pa say facilitator bodia umatine fufuri omonso ebe 12 juma no mo why di twato edi homa ne ba be eso se ne be ya ebe konanim na omu akawentri apam homa cyber security dwumedi akoso enemre ya abefo kwanso dwumedi aiding him ewo man.
Today, as we formally dissolve the facilitating committee, we also take the important step of inaugurating the facilitator body in accordance with section 81(2) of the Act. The facilitator body will now assume leadership responsibility for the industry forum. This body brings together experts from across the national cyber ecosystem